What's happening, guys? Just want to show you a really neat tool here on how you can write a job description with ChatGPT in 15 seconds or less. So if let's just say that I needed a job description for an operations manager for my moving and storage company. So I would just write, can you write me a job description for Davis Moving and Storage for operations manager position? You're going to see that ChatGPT goes ahead and writes out a very well-equipped job description. You'd be really surprised at some of the verbiage that it can pick up just from knowing that it's a moving and storage company. And you're going to let it run out. But what you can do after the fact is you can go in and make tweaks to this, but look at how much work this is doing for you. How much time did you waste writing job descriptions, right? So there's obviously some more high-level skills in how to write good sales copy, like sales letters, which you can use as job descriptions, which I'm a big fan of. But if you're just getting started, this is such a great tool, and you can do it for anything, right? So I can say, can you write me a job description? If I can type. I can do it for a mover position, and it's going to put in exactly what a mover would do. And so if you're just getting started, if these kinds of things are just like extra time on your workload as an owner or as a manager, look, there are resources now that can help you. This is AI, artificial intelligence. You can go to openai.com/chat, and this has been a very eye-opening tool. I think you're going to find a ton of value in using this, and I would highly recommend being savvy with how to use a tool like this. It's very user-friendly, but 15 seconds or less, you can get a job description, copy and paste this, get it up where you need it, and it's simple as that. Check it out.